Now set up your first store in MyFavorito. In this tutorial we use our small fictional MyFavorito bakery. Click Create Store from the MyFavorito Welcome Assistant or from the store menu on top. Enter your store's name, address and description. Once done, you can upload the store's specific logo and header images or use the ones you uploaded for your brand page. If you want, you can take a look to the advanced settings, but we'll cover them in later tutorials. Optionally, you can set up your store's opening times. To finish, click the Save button at the bottom. Your new store is now set up on MyFavorito and people can subscribe to it.